When we write about numbers, we don't always need to be exact. So we use approximation words: approximately, about, around, and roughly. For example, instead of writing this long number 6471089, we say the population was approximately 6.5 million. We can also change the sentence structure and use the word approximate. For example, the approximate population was 6.5 million. We can also be more specific when we approximate numbers by using phrases like just below and just above. Use these when the numbers are closer to round numbers. This number is a little less than 80,000, so we can write just under 80,000. Similarly, this is just over 3.4 million. Approximation also helps us group data. In writing task 1, we need to report the main features and make comparisons. So, grouping of data is important. For this, we can use phrases like in the range of and these other phrases. For example, to compare these two tables, we can write that in 1900, the population was in the range of 1.5 million and 1.9 million. There are more examples on screen that you can pause and understand. So, approximation helps us group numbers, which makes comparisons clearer.